I ain't mad, I don't wanna sound mad, I feel marvelous. D-Block, double R, fucking faggots. You gon' handle this like grown men, you won't win. You don't even feel comfortable in your own skin. I rap my ass off, I'm fighting a champ with the glass jaw at the Garden of Nassau. See me, couple hood niggas behind stars. I heard you put a couple good niggas behind bars. I might never sell that much, but you could bet your last 2 quarters I never tell that much. Picture Kiss not come out swinging. It's like going to see 50 at a show and he don't come out singing. Yeah, you got a felony, but you ain't a predicate. Never the king of New York, you live in Connecticut. You don't be in the hood, you be in the woods. Fucking with me, so you really gon' be for good. I hold a 4-5 myself and hop out the range on 145 myself. This is a true fact. Since when has it become cool to get shot and not shoot back? Trackmaster shelf you, Braveheart helped you, then everybody felt you. Now I gotta melt you. And don't try to pull rank on Kiss, cause the niggas I'ma send to do it ain't gon' miss. Be laid up stiff, I spit straight up piff. I did real songs with Big, no made up shits. And I don't got a problem with clout. You ain't get shot again yet, so what's your second album about? Your raps are preschool. You made a lot of money, now be cool. Before I swell up your lips like seafood. Now get a mic check, you don't stand a chance to dance with me, dog. Your steps ain't right yet. Block is just fine, homie, the D straight. Most likely your new CD is a weed plate. Bunch of love songs, 100% pure garbage. Just something to break up buds on. You should just sell clothes and sneakers, cause out of your whole camp, your flow's the weakest. I'm in the town where the young boys is clapping. You running around with the lieutenant and captain. It'll take a lifetime to see Kiss. You had to get shot 9 times to be rich. Rat ass nigga, you's an animal. You's a motherfucking animal. Pig ass nigga, you's an animal. You's a motherfucking animal. Snake ass nigga, you's an animal. You's a motherfucking animal. Matter of fact, you ain't no animal. I'ma show these motherfuckers how to handle you. D-Block.
Your bitch and white tee, 2 glocks, no bandana. This ain't what you used to, it's Statlanta. On him so real low, slide down the strip slow. Everywhere you folk go, they yelling out stack quote. Right of the script that the street niggas bean for. The A Bambino, GMM Nino. Never been faded, you hated, I made it. The hoods are later, your rims I dated, so get some new ones. My dudes I painted, I'm ready, #1 bitch. All throughout the world, girls loving my shit. Baby, slow down, I know you're loving that dick. But stacks a bachelor, can't be with 1 chick. Yeah, you getting ripped, jeans stacking like this. I go to the bank, they know me by my first name. Yeah, I love when you do it like that, girl. You ain't gotta use your hands to make it clap, girl. The way you move, I just don't know how to act, girl. You looking good, I'm trying to beat out your back, girl. Hey, I love when you do it like that, girl. You ain't gotta use your hands to make it clap, girl. The way you move, I just don't know how to act, girl. You looking good, I'm trying to beat out your back, girl. Yeah, break it down, break it down. Go now, do it now, break it down, break it down. Go now, do it now, break it down. Go now, break it down. You're about to bear witness to the sickest motherfucker there is. Lot of dope in the hole, baby, that's how I live. Fuck a meal times is rough, I need $1 billion. The militants go out and meet me in the building. I spit for the have-not crooks and chillins. Won't quit till my cash flows through the ceiling. Your cars get pulled, I mean your boys dealing. Money on my mind, I got no time for chillin'. I be at where the cheese at. Big bread, lot of heads, that need that. Pistol on my lap, case you wanna jack. Flash off the map, but it bad. I'm born in zone 3, love homeboy, be too mean. I'm the shit and y'all agree. 4 bronze full of 4 firearms with me.